rainbow.
Balik sa zero. Gulf of Dates 3. Dates.
Not quite.
It's a Dates.
Similar style, I think. Yeah.
Dates 3. It's not kind of Dates 3.
Yeah, palm, some sort of palm tree.
Nature lover ang mga kiwi here. Look that they have no leaves.
Because it's winter.
Winter season, guys. We're still walking. The school is near here. And the house of the tree, the houses have no, so a lot of neighborhoods, but neighborhoods is have no neighborhoods hiding. This neighborhood is still sleeping.
Or maybe at work.
Work.
At work.
Naka-boots ako.
Ambot?
Lab.
Ah, ano?
Maori flag labo. For sale, guys. So may for sale nga balay. Have a house for sale here. Double story sa guys. Someday, I buy a house and lot.
House. Can you cross the road?
For sale house, oh. Makita to sa mga viewers na. Aray ko lang. For sale, Oliver Place. Oh. Huwag ka makita din ng mga motor, bike, or jeep. Kalabanan makita mo di mga brand new car. Amo na naka-rich people here. Mga manggaranong tao di. Hanan may salakyan. Aray! Pero sa Pilipinas, more motorcycle and jeep. Kasi it's a very expensive na car in Philippines. I love you, my jacket. Look, guys.
Your wifey peeping the puwang.
I'm not buwang. I'm vlog. I'm practicing to vlog. Someday, I'm a content creator in the YouTube vlog. Like you are a TikTok content creator in TikTok.
Papa.
Baka makita ang motor here, or jeep here, or bike. Kalabanan, mga brand new car.
Love you.
Guys, so eskwelahan na diri ho.
Pwede kong baya mo no.
Have a school here is very near. Look. Ginado.